Up next, we're going to be looking at the Burger King, what's it called, combo meal, family meal, discount meal, whatever. We're going to go over it, its taste, its texture, its cost, and why eating fast food is not always the best food. So anyway, that's next. We're going in a hole, hang on.
Okay.
That's okay, we're in a hole. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, that was a lot quicker than I thought it was. We are cooking up some bird's eye. Looks pretty good so far. Should be a few minutes before this is really good. We can't go with chains. We gotta just drag her up the hill. We'll worry about chains later. We call this a CTC, which stands for cargo trailer conversion, or cargo trailer camper, or cargo trailer crap, whatever you want to call it. It has all kinds of names. In case you're wondering what 4-week-old poop looks like after it's been chemically treated, and there's your answer. A month to 17 children, I would have thought you might have had like 30 of those cards.
Oh, this is just for 2 days?
Day. My name is Jay from Tiny Wonderland. Welcome to this quick episode on I guess Burger King. This is not an endorsement, by the way. They're not paying me anything. I had to pay them to get this food. This is a way to get a lot of food for pretty good price when you really think about nowadays with what things cost. So it doesn't say the price on here, but I think it was $20. And of course you get your free Burger King Whopper let us know what you think survey on the back. By the way, when they say in the next 40 hours, they mean the next 48 hours, because I've actually used these like weeks later and they were actually expired. So if you want a free Whopper, that's the way to get a free Whopper. So what do you get for the $20? You get Whopper with cheese. No, you're not seeing double. Whopper with cheese. You get 4 very kind of hard rock chicken nuggets with some buffalo sauce right here. Then you get 4 more hard rock chicken nuggets with some ranch, which I've already eaten. I added an extra onion ring, that's why it was $20 instead of like $12. You get a cheeseburger and another cheeseburger, and you get 2 small drinks or medium drinks. I think it's a medium, and of course I added the frozen Coke. All that for $20. Is it worth it? Well, let me tell you something. If you have a car full of hungry kids, yes, you could probably get away with this. If you're trying to impress a date, I don't think so. If you live in a tiny home and you don't want to cook, this will work. Sodas are fine. Coke's fine. I never had an issue with that. Cheeseburgers, by the time you get to these, they'll probably be cold. The Whoppers, I'm already feeling those chill. The nuggets, you just kind of, they're very like dry and solid. Probably have been sitting in a fryer or something. The onion rings is a nice touch, but here's the thing about the onion rings. If you look carefully, ready? Look at this. Just to give you an idea of speed of fast food. You will see, hang on, Dean. You will see that you can get a French fry inside of your onion ring. That's the speed of fast food. So we're just going to, like I said, it was really going to be really quick. I didn't want to spend a lot of time on it. So, excuse me, I'm going to choke on my crusty chicken nugget. So to wrap up, you get the 2 Whoppers, the 2 cheeseburgers, the 2 chicken nuggets, the 2 drinks for $11.99. The sauce is free. I added the onion ring and the frozen Coke. So if you have a car full of kids, I'm going to recap that one more time. Car full of kids, you could probably get away with it. Trying to impress a date, or you're looking for some really quality food, this is not the place to be shopping. But It doesn't matter if you order $1 or 50 cents off their menu, you still get that Burger King free Whopper coupon on the back. But remember, it has to be filled out within 48 hours, because if you wait 72 hours, it will expire. Anyway, I hope you guys learned something from this. Fast food is not the best way. And as you know, if you watch the Tiny Wonderland continuously, you will see that we have episodes where we're cooking up some really good tiny meals, and there'll be more of those later. Anyway, brief episode. Hope you liked it. If you didn't, fine. Go out and get some Burger King or McDonald's or whatever. I'll catch you guys next time. Take care of yourselves. See you on the next episode. The scenes clip that's usually at the end of the episodes. Thank you for sticking around. I'm on the phone with Dean. You guys have heard me mention Dean a lot. And Dean was just... This is why it's behind the scenes. Me and Dean were just talking about... Dean, what'd you say about pushing Burger King?
It's the worst food possible.
Okay. He said you'd have a rush. What was it about Jack in the Box? You just said something about Jack in the Box.
I'd rather have their 2 tacos for $1, which are awful, but it's better than anything from Burger King.
Well, didn't you say there was an exception to that?
Yeah, it's the strawberry sundae.
Strawberry, like a cone, like the sundae they put in the cup with the.
It comes in a cup with strawberries on top.
Yeah, but it's like the hot fudge sundae at McDonald's, right? Essentially.
Yeah.
Okay.
But it's strawberry.
It's like $1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's the little sundae. Okay, so it's the equivalent of like a McDonald's sundae or cone. I get what you're saying, but you said that that's the only food on their entire menu you'll eat.
Yes. It's the absolute worst place I've ever had.
So there's no other restaurant that you would put down lower than Burger King.
Jay, that's a close one. That's for Chick-fil-A.
Oh, whoa, wait a minute. We already know how you feel about Chick-fil-A, but their food is actually, in my opinion, their food's actually fairly decent.
Yeah, I don't eat their food. I don't have an iPhone.
Oh, no. Here we go. Yeah.
Chick-fil-A.
No iPhone. No, what did you say went with that? An iPhone and what was it? What was the combination? iPhone,
iPad, a MacBook. I don't have any of that.
Yeah, but wasn't there a type of car that people had too? You said. Oh, that's it. Okay, so you have to have an iPhone and a Tesla to go to Chick-fil-A.
You have to have a Mac product of some sort or a Tesla, and then that's where you would live. Is it?
But wait a minute. I have an iPhone.
Yeah.
And I like for Chick-fil-A.
Exactly. You just have to have one of the or anything from Apple.
Sorry, you're gonna kill me with my dry chicken nugget here, but okay.
See, there you go. Burger King's gonna kill you.
This is gonna be the last episode ever posted. Dean's gonna have it posted post-mortem.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Here lies Jay. He died from a rotten chicken McNugget or something like that.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Okay, guys. Well, hopefully you enjoyed the behind the scenes. It's often that's a surprise, so hopefully you stuck around for it. If not, then you didn't get to see it, and then no harm done. By the way, Burger King, we're not professionally putting you down. It's just that... Dean is professionally putting you down, but it's a fast food place, and I'm not endorsing nor telling people to stay away from it. You make your own choices. So, but I will say this: the chicken nuggets are extremely dry. Okay, that's why you get the sauces with it. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.